don't trust this.
Go on again.
That's what I like.
Yo! On the lure! On the lure, Jamaican shore fishing! I have caught a salsa fish.
On the lure.
On the lure. Yo, come on, Francis. We gotta take a picture of this. This is crazy. Yo, bro, look at this. Yo, bro, we just caught a salsa fish on the lure. Come on, Francis, take a picture and put it in the group, Francis. Come on, dogs. We gotta do this. Yo, peoples, we were just playing around, seen the salsa fish, decided I was gonna use a soft tail bait, and he decided he's gonna pick it up in his mouth. And caught him on a 1/4 ounce jig head, a swim bait with a 27-pound toothproof wire lead, a puffer fish on the lure. Bro, poor guys, check this out. A puffer fish on the lure, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here on the lure. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Alright, hold this. Let me get his hook out and get him back in the water real quick. Yeah, but I don't want him to die. We'll get him back in the water though. We're not gonna keep him, right, guys? Oh shit, he's hooked pretty good. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's get him back. Trying to get you back in the water, buddy. Alright, let's get you back. Alright, there you go. He's gone. Off. Swim out. Catch and release. Jamaican shore fishing. We are here, guys. Huh? Yeah, I was really trying for the barra. I was going to catch and release him. I was going to keep him. I don't have any cooler, bro. Catch and release. That's what's up.
You know, sometimes I just wonder why they do.